know this is really weird. I haven't made a video in a while. I know a lot of people are gonna be unhappy, but I think I'm selling the R3 today. If you couldn't tell by that intro, it was a bit of a spoof on when I sold my Suzuki GN125 and bought this here R3, but I know you are going to be upset, some of you, but I actually am going to sell the R3 today. I listed it on Marketplace about a week ago and got some good offers. I think we're going to be letting go of her tonight. While I did love the R3 for everything it was able to do for me, I had a lot of fun on it, definitely learned a little bit on it. It's just not the type of bike that I think I realistically want long term. I've always wanted a supermoto or a dual sport, and to get to that, I'm gonna have to sell this. So definitely keep your eye out for a new video, ideally getting a new bike. But for now, we're gonna get this thing cleaned up, get all the stock parts together, and ideally sell it.
Say about me, my dogs like to play Madden in 2K, but one thing they don't do is play about me. My homeboy Tyler, he playing South Beach. He told me this summer he gon' fix my jumper. I told Boy Wonder that we might got a thumper. I've been trying to pop, now I'm on like Shumper.
Alright guys, so this looks weird to you, right? It's because I just bought this. Well, I'm in the process of buying it, going to get the title transferred right now, but this is a 2013 CRF250L. You're like, what the hell? You sold an R3 through that? Yes, I did, and I'm very excited about it. She's a little dirty, could be cleaned a little bit, but so excited to see what is to come with this bad girl. Woo, she gets some nice little back pops. It's got an F&F power core on it right now too, so sounds good already. Sounds so good already. Definitely paid a little more than I would hope, but you know, in COVID times, peak of summer, hard not to do that. But so excited to for the adventures to come on this. We're now going to head back to my girlfriend's house, which is like 30 minutes away from here. I am in the middle of Pennsylvania, so close to the capital, Harrisburg. So I guess we're getting on US 30. Probably gonna have to go on the highway, but let's do it. So funny, this bike is definitely taller. I can basically flat-foot it on both. Completely though, I feel like my heels are a little bit up in the air. I'll be able to tell you in just a minute how the CRF250L does on the highway. Literally just bought it and we're hopping on the highway, so fingers crossed. Honestly, I hope there's a little more traffic so we're not going crazy fast. Miles on here, alright. Full tank of gas. One thing I do miss is the gear indicator on my R3. I never realized how much I'd like that until I didn't have one. Cruising at 70, 73. Oh. Interesting feeling riding this quick on knobbies. Hey, she's chilling. Cruising at 75, that's more than good right now. We don't have a tack on here, but she... Oh, that was a big bug. We don't have a tack on here, but she's not crazy revved out. Indeed. She's cruising at 75, no problem. I don't feel like I'm ringing it out at all. It's like fine. Still in 6, going up this hill with a headwind again, or whatever it is. I'm driving into the wind up a hill in 6 gears, still cruising at 71. So wobbly. So that much ever. So it is feeling funny to me, coming from an R3 to the knobbies on the highway. I feel great though. I don't feel bad. If it was really windy, I'd get a little scared, I think, but it's no big deal. Yeah guys, this thing is pretty sick. I can't wait. You know, eventually plans are to sumo it. First we gotta do some real off-roading on her. I can't wait. We gotta get it all cleaned up, then we're really gonna get to work on this thing. We got big plans. This one, I hope is here to stay for a little while. At least for a little while. Longer than the R3 I expect, but so hyped. Nothing like cruising at 80 on a dirt bike. Alright guys, I may have f***ed myself because I have no gas left and I don't think there's gas for another like 10 miles or some shit. So, fuel light is blinking. I'm gonna say a prayer to God that this doesn't run out of gas before we get there, but I don't know, man. If it does, I have no clue what I'll do. Me, dude. Me, dude. Bless the fun Lord. Oops.
Okay guys, so I'm just now realizing that I forgot to basically end the video, but as you can tell, I made it home alright from the ride from buying the bike. It was about 2 hours from the location that I bought it at, and you know, these knobbies on the highway, a little sketchy. I took the turnpike, so she was doing, you know, 75 to 80 as you saw, but she handled not too bad. But here's a quick little walk around. She's got some mods on it already, like the FMF pipe, the fender eliminator, the hand guards, and I guess aftermarket mirrors. Definitely have a lot of plans for it. TST or DRC Edge taillight, ideally, an EGK to put on it, as well as a new seat, some Pro Taper bars, Zeta hand guards with integrated signals to get rid of these guys. And that covers most things. Eventually supermoto wheels, but we are gonna ride the piss out of this thing, and I'm so excited. So if you guys wanna see me learn how to wheelie this, how to off-road this, all new stuff to me, but stuff I'm super excited about, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. We just actually hit 500 subscribers. I think we're like 508, 509 right now. So I appreciate the support. Half I do 1,000. I'll catch you next time. Peace.